In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create calendar view in Airtable. Easy Setup 2026. First, head to airtable.com in your browser. If you use it often, it's handy to bookmark the page so you can jump back in quickly. When the site loads, sign into your account. Use your usual login method and, if you're prompted for any security verification, go ahead and complete that right away so you can access your workspace without interruptions. After you're signed in, you'll land on your Airtable dashboard. This is your home base. You'll see your workspaces, any templates that might be available, and most importantly, your recent items. The Recents area is a quick way to pick up where you left off, especially if you're bouncing between multiple projects or bases. From the dashboard, choose the base you want to work in. You can click any existing base you've already set up, or create one from scratch if you'd prefer a clean starting point. If you're just testing things out, an existing base with a date field is perfect because you'll be able to see the calendar populate right away. Once your base opens, you'll be in the base view, typically starting in a grid view. Look to the left side of the screen for the Views panel. This is where you manage how your records are displayed. You can switch among different view types without changing your underlying data, which makes it easy to see the same information in different ways. Next, click Create New View, or the plus icon next to Views, to open the View menu. From that drop-down, choose Calendar. You'll be prompted to name your view. Pick something descriptive so teammates instantly know what it's for. Then set the privacy for who can edit. Choose Collaborative if you want everyone with access to the base to be able to modify the view's configuration. Choose Personal if you want a private view that only you can adjust. Or choose Locked if you want to prevent changes to the view settings without unlocking it first. When you're ready, click Create New View. Your calendar view will appear and display records according to their date fields. If nothing shows up yet, that's typically because only records with dates are placed on the calendar. You'll see a familiar monthly layout, and depending on your setup, you may also have week or day options available. From here, you can confidently navigate and use the calendar to visualize your timeline and keep your schedule organized. And that's it! Your calendar view is ready to go.